Welcome to my back step, and I have another review for you guys today. This one again is from CAMDUCK. I love this product. It's really great. Hey, I'm all about cameras and stuff. So here is the camera itself. I did already have this open for another purpose. This is the new one that I have now. This one is all black in color. Really nice. It has 4 outlets, 2 USB ports and 1 Type-C, which is great. Up here is where the SD card comes in. Comes with a little pick for opening the top of the unit. Comes with an SD card reader, and it comes with a screw for mounting it to your wall, your outlet. That's to prevent it from coming out and falling off and stuff. It also comes with a little instruction booklet, which tells you everything about it, all of its functions, and a little bit about the app. The app is super simple to use. There is a barcode here so you can download the app. Let me show you how the SD card comes in. I do have to get another SD card for this one because I do not currently have one. Well, I don't have an extra one. Harder to get the pick out than it is to, there we go. So what you would do with this is you just put it in, and this piece just pops out. It's a little stiff because it's new. There we go. Whoops! There's where your SD card goes, in right here, and it's concealed. These 2 little lips on the top, when you're charging your phone or something, you can put that on there. Now let's show you guys how to install this, which is pretty easy to install. Yep. Installation, okay? For the purpose of this video, I will show you what you have to do. This has to come off. I may or may not be leaving this here. This screw goes in. Put this in, and you screw it in tight. Now I'm not going to screw it in tight just yet because I don't know if I'm going to be leaving it there or not. So I'm just going to get the initial setup done. There, now it's plugged in. You can see the light is coming on. Now, I already have CAMDUCK on my phone, so I can just go add. Found camera, CAMDUCK. Okay. Okay. Now it is connecting my camera. This is just going to take a minute. Then this pops up. Click play. Okay, and here I am on the camera itself. It's just that easy to install, guys. Once you get the app set up and everything like that, there is nothing to it at all. Once I get an SD card in here, then I'll be able to record onto my SD files. As you can see right here. It also has, I can take photos. I could record right now onto my phone from the device, so I don't necessarily need an SD card, but the SD card just captures everything as it's going. So that is the CAMDUCK review on this one, guys. Once again, these are fantastic little devices for anyone, for home security even, because where I have this, it sees my whole kitchen. It will see anything that goes on, comes in through my front door, anything. And it will record it. They're great nanny cams for people with young children, with babysitters and stuff like this. So you can keep an eye on what's going on even when you're out and about. I have never had an issue connecting to this when I am out on my Wi-Fi. I have never had an issue going back and looking at any of the videos. One of the best features I think about this camera is with the video, you can pop out that little SD card, put it in your computer and watch videos with no other program necessary. Which is a big bonus, because a lot of security cameras, they encrypt the cards, so you cannot do that. All of being able to just take it out and put it on the computer. That's my opinion. But guys, I would definitely suggest going out, getting yourself a CAMDUCK camera. And don't forget, guys, be safe, have fun. Hope you enjoyed this review. Look forward to many more. Have a great day and be safe, everyone.